If every side hustle you try feels exhausting, if you keep quitting after a few weeks, if nothing feels like you, you don't need more discipline. You just need a side hustle that fits your personality and your real lifestyle. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find it. Hi, I'm Kai. Welcome to episode 10 of Career and Side Hustle Mastery. Across American tiny apartments in New York, quiet homes in Seattle, suburbs outside Dallas, and coffee shops in Austin, people are trying side hustles that don't match who they are. The result? Stress, overwhelm, burnout, quitting. Not because they're lazy, but because they're mismatched. Today, I'll help you choose a side hustle that fits your personality, your time, your energy, and your real-life responsibilities. Let's make this your blueprint. Years ago, I was living in a small apartment outside Chicago, trying a side hustle that everyone said was perfect. But it drained me. It didn't match my natural strengths or my schedule or my energy. One night, I whispered, maybe the problem isn't me. Maybe the hustle just isn't built for me. And that was the moment I realized, the right hustle feels challenging but not overwhelming, exciting but not draining, aligned not forced. That's what we want for you. The real secret is to pick hustles that match who you already are. Not who you wish you were, not who other people expect you to be, not who the internet says you should be, but who you truly are today. There are 4 personality groups that shape the type of side hustle that fits you. Let's break them down. First is the introvert creator. You like quiet spaces, working alone, deep focus, creativity, and predictable tasks. Good side hustles for you include writing, editing, graphic design, creating Etsy digital products, YouTube automation, blogging, coding, or bookkeeping. These bring in income without draining your social battery. Next is the social connector, the extrovert. You thrive on being around people, communication, fast environments, and engagement. Good side hustles for you would be coaching, tutoring, consulting, helping at events, being a sales or real estate assistant, fitness, coaching, or any customer-facing freelance work. Your energy comes from connection, so lean into that. Then we have the structured organizer. You love systems, order, planning, checklists, and administrative work. Great side hustles for you are being a virtual assistant, project coordination, scheduling, operations, support, Airbnb co-host management, or social media planning. America runs on organizers. This is a powerful and in-demand skill. Finally, there's the practical doer. You like hands-on work, simple tasks, physical activity, and clear instructions. Consider side hustles like delivery apps, cleaning or organizing services, photography, handyman tasks, pet sitting, dog walking, or furniture flipping. You get results through action, and this can earn you fast income. Now, your side hustle must match more than just your personality. It has to match your actual life. So, answer these questions on the Lifestyle Match Checklist. 1. How much time do you really have? Is it weeknights, only weekends, early mornings? Be honest. 2. What is your energy like after your main job? If you're drained, choose a calm, solo hustle. If you're still energized, you can pick something more active. 3. Do you need flexible hours? This is key for parents, caregivers, or anyone with a long commute. 4. Do you prefer predictable or varied tasks? Predictable could be design, writing, or admin work. Varied could be events, coaching, or client projects. And 5. What do you naturally enjoy doing? This reveals what will be a good, long-term fit. I remember one evening in Seattle, I sat near the window watching the rain and wrote down all my strengths, my weaknesses, and my lifestyle needs. After about 20 minutes, it hit me. My side hustle should match the real me, not the ideal me. I stopped forcing the wrong kind of work and picked something that actually fit my life. And everything changed. I had better energy, better consistency, and better results. So here's a simple and accurate framework to find your match. Step 1. Identify your personality group. Are you a creator, a connector, an organizer, or a doer. Step 2. Identify your lifestyle limits. Think about your time, energy, schedule, and obligations. Step 3. Choose 2 to 3 hustles that fit both your personality and your lifestyle. Step 4. Test each one for 2 weeks. Not 2 days, 2 full weeks. Step 5. Choose the one that feels the lightest, not the most profitable, not the most impressive, the lightest. Because light means sustainable, and sustainable eventually becomes profitable. So, what are the signs you picked the right side hustle? You don't dread doing it. It fits naturally into your weekly rhythm. You feel calm while you're working on it. You find yourself getting better without forcing it. It doesn't drain your personal life. You see slow but steady progress, and people start to compliment your results. That's how you know you've found your match. Listen, I want you to hear this today. There is nothing wrong with you if other side hustles didn't work out. You weren't unmotivated. You weren't unfocused. You weren't lazy. You were just mismatched. You don't need more force. You need more alignment. The right side hustle brings peace, purpose, and income, not stress or shame. And you absolutely deserve that. So here is your action challenge. Tonight, choose just one of these things to do. Write down your personality type. List 3 of your biggest lifestyle needs. Choose 2 or 3 matching hustles from the list we talked about. Commit to testing one for 2 weeks, or remove any hustle from your life that you know is draining you. Your match is waiting for you, and it's closer than you think. If this episode helped you discover your true match, please share it with someone who keeps forcing side hustles that don't fit them. And if you're ready to build income that aligns with your strengths, values, and lifestyle, subscribe to inspire change today. This is episode 10 of Career and Side Hustle Mastery. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and walk with Micaiahs. We continue creating income, purpose, and a work life that actually feels like you. Your perfect side hustle isn't out. There it's the one that fits who you are.